The M230 Chain Gun is one of the deadliest and most recognizable weapons ever mounted on a helicopter. Bolted beneath the legendary AH-64 Apache, this brutal 30mm cannon has become a symbol of American air power, capable of shredding armored vehicles, fortified positions, and enemy troops with terrifying precision. But now, decades after it first entered service, the weapon has evolved into something even more dangerous. In today's video, we're diving deep into the origins of the M230, how it transformed the Apache into a battlefield nightmare, and why its newest evolution, the M230 LF, is changing modern warfare on land and at sea. But before we begin, if you enjoy military technology, battlefield analysis, and next-generation weapon systems, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Military American so you never miss our latest uploads. The story of the M230 begins in the early 1970s, during one of the most intense periods of Cold War military innovation. At the time, Hughes Helicopters launched a privately funded effort to create a new automatic cannon powerful enough to dominate future battlefields. Their original goal was ambitious: build a weapon capable of firing the U.S. Army's devastating 20mm M50 ammunition. But engineers quickly realized they could go even bigger. By 1973, Hughes successfully test-fired a far more powerful 30mm round from an experimental prototype known as Model A. The increase in firepower was massive. 2 years later, the company unveiled the improved Model C, a revolutionary linkless chain gun specifically designed for the Army's future attack helicopter project, the AH-64. That aircraft would eventually become the world-famous Apache helicopter, and the weapon mounted beneath it would become the legendary M230 Chain Gun. Unlike traditional machine guns powered by recoil or gas operation, the M230 uses an externally powered chain drive system. A 3-horsepower electric motor drives the entire firing cycle, giving the weapon exceptional reliability under combat conditions. Mounted beneath the Apache's nose turret, the cannon can track targets with terrifying speed and accuracy, moving wherever the pilot's helmet sight points. The result is devastating. The M230 fires 30mm ammunition at more than 625 rounds per minute, unleashing explosive shells capable of ripping through light armor, bunkers, and troop concentrations in seconds. Each burst sounds less like a machine gun and more like a mechanical chainsaw tearing through steel. But raw firepower alone isn't what makes the weapon so feared. The cannon was engineered with advanced safety systems rarely seen at the time, including double ram prevention and cook-off protection to prevent accidental detonations during extreme heat buildup. Even so, the gun generates enormous thermal stress during combat. To prevent catastrophic overheating, crews must follow strict firing cycles, short bursts separated by cooling periods. In combat, discipline matters just as much as firepower. The Apache's turret itself is equally impressive. Controlled hydraulically, it allows the cannon to track targets while the helicopter maneuvers aggressively through hostile airspace. If hydraulic power fails during an emergency or hard landing, the gun automatically folds into a safer position between crew stations, protecting the pilots from impact damage. The Apache can technically carry up to 1,200 rounds for the M230, although U.S. Army configurations often reduce that number to around 300 due to internal fuel requirements. Even then, the destructive capability remains enormous. Part of that lethality comes from the ammunition itself. Unlike heavier brass or steel-cased rounds used by many NATO cannons, Apache ammunition was designed with lightweight alloy casings to reduce overall aircraft weight. Several different ammunition types were developed, but one round quickly became the most feared of them all: the M789 high-explosive dual-purpose cartridge. This shell is a masterpiece of battlefield engineering. Each M789 round contains an explosive-shaped charge capable of punching through armored targets while simultaneously fragmenting into lethal shrapnel upon impact. The shell creates a molten armor-piercing jet capable of penetrating rolled homogeneous armor while also devastating nearby infantry and soft targets. In simple terms, a single round can destroy both vehicles and personnel at the same time. But warfare has changed dramatically since the Apache first entered service. Modern militaries now face threats from drones, swarm attacks, fast-moving boats, lightly armored vehicles, and unconventional battlefield tactics. And while the original M230 remained deadly, defense engineers wanted something more adaptable. Something lighter, safer, and easier to mount on a wide range of combat platforms. That led to the birth of the M230 LF. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the M230 LF is a heavily upgraded version of the original Apache cannon. The LF stands for link-fed, and that change alone transformed the weapon's versatility. The original Apache gun used a specialized linkless feed system. The M230 LF, however, was redesigned to use standard NATO-linked ammunition, dramatically simplifying logistics and compatibility across different military platforms. That may sound minor, but in warfare, logistics can decide entire battles. The weapon's electrical system was also completely redesigned. Instead of relying on the Apache's unique 120-volt aircraft power system, the M230 LF operates on standard 24-volt DC vehicle power, making it compatible with armored vehicles, patrol boats, and ground combat systems. Engineers also integrated an advanced anti-hangfire protection system derived from the combat-proven M240 Bushmaster chain gun. This dramatically improves operator safety, especially important when the weapon is mounted close to vehicle crews. And perhaps most importantly, the recoil and mounting systems were redesigned from the ground up. The original Apache turret weighed roughly 3,000 pounds. The upgraded M230 LF configuration reduced that dramatically to around 1,000 pounds, allowing the weapon to be installed on lightweight tactical vehicles without compromising stability. That opened the door for a completely new generation of mobile firepower. Today, the M230 LF is being deployed on a growing number of platforms worldwide, including Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, Striker vehicles, patrol boats, and mine-resistant all-terrain combat systems. And unlike heavy autocannons that require large armored platforms, the M230 LF brings devastating 30mm firepower to lighter, faster vehicles capable of rapid deployment. The cannon's extended barrel also restores velocity lost at lower altitudes compared to helicopter use, improving accuracy, penetration, and overall stability. Despite a reduced fire rate of roughly 200 rounds per minute, the upgraded system gains something far more important: flexibility. It can fire multiple ammunition types, including the deadly M789 high-explosive dual-purpose round, the M799 training round, the M788 practice cartridge, and a variety of NATO-standard 30mm ammunition. That versatility makes the M230 LF extremely attractive for modern military forces facing unpredictable threats. And one threat in particular is driving growing interest in the weapon: drones. As unmanned aerial systems become one of the defining weapons of modern warfare, militaries are searching for affordable ways to shoot them down without wasting expensive missiles. The M230 LF's rapid-fire explosive ammunition gives lighter vehicles a powerful anti-drone capability while still retaining anti-armor and anti-personnel effectiveness. In many ways, it bridges the gap between a heavy machine gun and a full-sized autocannon. The U.S. Army selected the M230 LF for its Mobile Short-Range Air Defense program, while the United States Marine Corps also adopted the weapon for its Marine Air Defense Integrated System. Since its development began in the 1990s, the gun has been fielded on more than 1,400 systems worldwide. And despite newer weapons entering service every year, the M230 family continues to prove one thing: sometimes the most terrifying weapons aren't the newest, they're the ones that keep evolving. From the skies above Iraq and Afghanistan to modern anti-drone defense vehicles and fast attack boats, the M230 has transformed from a helicopter cannon into one of the most versatile battlefield weapons in the world. And with warfare evolving faster than ever, its story may still be far from over. What are your thoughts on the M230 LF chain gun? Could it become one of the most important anti-drone and anti-armor weapons of the next decade? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the world's most powerful military technology.